Dali nila, no? Hindi ka papag-uwi.
Masok siya, diba?
Mag-breakfast tayo.
So, the proper way to eat samyetang is... sobrang hapdi. Ah! Gusto ko makita yung daan. Ito, hawak mo sa kasi. Para matapos na. Heading out in a bit. Hi! Pupunta na naman tayong bangko, guys. Kasi magbabayad ako ng rent, utility bills, and nung utang ko sa manager ko na Osmo Pocket. Wow! May pagkain.
You can transfer on the 3 million won a day.
Okay.
You can transfer ATM, the last one. On the 1 million won a day. Here, 3 million won a day. Separately.
Ganun pala.
Bawal pa rin ako. Hi. Bye. Wala akong magka-ATM, guys.
Kasi ba't hindi mo tinatanong?
Because nga daw Filipino ko, tinanong ko na.
You have na the cash
Cash
card.
card.
Pero pang ATM lang lagi.
Saan kaya dito?
Ayan, withdrawal, no?
Transfer! Ang galing!
Ano magaling dyan? Ganyan din naman sa atin.
Pwede mag-transfer sa atin?
From the, machine?
Magta-transfer ako sa account. Tingnan mo, Citibank. Hala ba?
Sa iba-ibang bank.
Okay, ngayon babayaran ko yung boss ko.
Oo, bayaran mo yung boss mo naman.
Masaya naman dito, bitch.
Diba, oo.
Oh.
Parang ATM na din. Diba, nandiyan din ba yung money mo?
Oo.
O kaya nga.
Naghihinga ng money ko.
Hindi, pero nandiyan din yung money mo, tapos nakaka-transfer ka. You cannot use that for purchases.
Uri Bank. Ay,
Uri Bank. Pero hindi.
Account number daw. Buti hindi na tinatanong yung pangalan. Boss, if you're watching, I'm gonna pay you now. Ay, na-detect yung name niya.
Galing nila, no? Hindi ka papagurin. Kasi, di ba, totoo naman, nakaset naman yung account sa name, di ba?
Oo.
Sa atin, ipasok mo ang name mo, be.
Pasok mo lang.
Address mo. Birthday.
내 목소리 들으면 갑자기 말문이 턱 하고 막힐 것만 같아.
Good morning! Today is December 25. Grabe, pinilit ko lang ibangon tong life ko today kasi parang ang lamig nga, mami, kaninang madaling araw.
Lula dyan, ano sabi mo? December
27?
25 sabi mo, B.
25 sabi ko, guys? Balik ka dito, say hi to the vlog ka.
Good morning, peoples. Tingnan mo, sabi mo 25.
Talaga ba? O, mag-isa ka lang dito, ha? Huwag ka magkakalat.
Hindi mo natin ikakalat ko, B. Makalat na eh.
We are going to the office. Kasi guys, dito sa Korea, parang yung holiday nila is yung 25 lang mismo. Unlike sa atin, parang 24. Tapos parang yung mostly yung mga tao. Minsan, di ba mami, parang naka-leave pa?
Oo, minsan buong
Buong December, parang ganon. May mga companies na required, no mami? Na naka-leave yung buong December, gano'n. So, dito, 26, may pasok na ulit. Kasi,
isang araw lang.
isang araw lang talaga. And, New Year, I think yung 1 lang din, guys. So, punta na tayo ng office. This is me.
Alam mo lavender mo dito?
Ay, hindi ko sure. Hindi yan sa akin eh. Patuyo lang ako ng buhok and I will leave na. Excited, nakabado. Bumili nga ako ng cake eh. Kasi nga parang after Christmas, parang wala lang. Something to share with everyone in the office. Kagabi, hinabol namin ni Mami bago mag-close yung cake shop.
Magbe-breakfast tayo.
Ano magbe-breakfast tayo? Alis na ako!
Marami ka pang gagawin, hindi ka pa nakabihis eh. Isosotay ko lang to, tapos yung rest iinitin ko sa microwave. Oh, una pa ako sa'yo.
O, sige.
Kaso wala akong sibuyas, babasa na ako dun sa, sa grocery.
O, tara.
Hala, huwag na, malilate ka po, Diyos me.
And-
Paano, open ko ka lang.
Mars, hindi ganyan ang pagsira niyan. Sana hindi ka mawala, be, ha? Mag-ingat ka.
Ano ba? Stay in the house ka dyan.
Ay, ganito.
Huwag mo na lahat.
O, ito din. Saksak mo nga, be.
Hindi siya pantay. Ano ba kasi ito? Kanino yan?
Akin
Ay,
yan.
sa China. Kay ate mo, ano? Ayaw niya pumasok sa lahat, yung curvaceous
Pumapasok
niya.
yan eh. Nagtsatsa. Ako na nga. Kailangan.
Anong meron ngayon? Anong energy kailangan dyan?
Nakita mo ba yung vlog ko na plancha ko? Umusok siya, di ba? So, feeling na saksak.
Wait, explain ko lang yung side ko. Kasi alam mo, small things though, pero sometimes nakaka-hassle. So, we have the international travel adapter. Pagkatapos, ito yung, since bilog sila, ito yung sinasaksak ko. Pero kasi, rectangular to. Pero ang kanila is bilog. Oh, bilog. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng ma-shoot ng nakalapat. Nahihirapan ako. So, I got this sa store. Diyan lang sa baba. For 5,000 won each. So, I got to.
Ito. Hawakan mo sa kabilang side to, di ba? Para matapos na ako. Going to the office.
Diba? Kung hindi ko pinadala ko yan sa'yo.
Oh, thank you,
I have to say thank you to me.
Ang dami nagsasabi, iling ko daw, iling ko. Today's ulam cooked by Mommy Heidi.
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Check. Sobrang ginaw. So,
Nice, very nice.
Mukha
I
daw ako
love it.
magsiski.
Oo. Sabihin ng boss ni Hazel. Hazel, are you sure you're going to the office today? Because you look like going to the ski.
This is my outfit for the office kasi guys, negative 4 sa labas. Pag hinubad ko naman to, ito lang naman siya, turtleneck, kayo naman, oh. Bakit nyo ba pinangungunahan magsiski ako? Malay nyo.
Kaya nga.
Ski instructor talaga ako, guys. Dito sa Korea.
Okay
Okay,
ba
bye.
naman dito sa... Mga something that you really need to discover to make your life easier. Like, alam mo yun, si Hazel kasi magsasapato siya. Eh, di ba, ang kapal na ng suot niya. Hindi siya makayoko.
Ah! Sabi ko sa'yo, kaya kakaga ko gumising. Kanina sabi niya, ang aga mo naman.
Kaya
Sabi ko,
Hi, good morning. We're off to the office today. This is my first time visiting since I moved here in Seoul, South Korea. I met them na no pumunta tayo sa Unicorn Dream Show. Yung parang exhibit ng mga startup companies. We were there and we met the marketing manager and the team. I know a lot of you are asking what my work will be like here and all that. And hindi ko pa siya talaga nasasagot fully kasi ngayon ko palang officially malalaman lahat, all of my daily tasks starting January. Yung first work day natin, which is we went to the exhibit ng startup companies and we learned more about startup companies in Korea. Parang pahapyaw lang yun and then just one off. And then after that, this is day na officially we will talk about everything, what my daily tasks would be, ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin for the company, what is my schedule, what I'm so excited. I don't know if I can vlog in the office kasi, you know, let's go!
nakakaya pumasok sa building, guys. Kasi may 4 na guide doon na tingnan nila ako. Siguro tinatawanan nila, ano yun, di magsiski. Ang laki kasi. Nakakahiya ata yung suot ko. Eh, kasi tiisig ko yung lamig. -4. Tsaka parang cute tayo pag pumasok tayo. Ayoko na tuloy. For the OA ata to. Saan na kaya yung boss ko? Sabi niya, bababain niya daw ako eh, para makapasok ako. Hi, boss!
We're so white.
Color analysis thing.
Actually, we extend our office. So now we're using 6th and 10th.
Wow!
And now we're going to 6th floor.
Big office? Last time it's just 10th.
Just 10th. Did you wear it, Tomer?
That's why I'm wearing something like this. Not. Is it funny?
Oh no, not at all. Not we just like order desk and like chair.
So, sabi niya sa atin, nag-ano daw sila, busy kasi nag-upgrade yata sila. 2 floors na. Before 1 floor lang sila. So, ngayon 2 floors na sila. Tapos, kaka-deliver lang ng mga tables and chairs. Where is the cafeteria?
Downstairs.
Oh, you show me?
Yes,
We have a company tour.
Yes, company tour. This is where we grab like breakfast and lunch.
Oh, so we can grab
Here's actually we bought a coupon. And the people, like anyone can use the coupon they want or and this coupon you can get for breakfast sandwiches or salad.
It's free for employees?
Yes.
Oh. Wow. Tiffany is kind.
Yes, kind of. Because it's how like the end of the year, there's not many people. Usually it's like full.
Oh.
Not much people.
Wow, Korean.
All Korean.
Korean cafeteria?
It's really cafeteria. Like there's 3 options of the food. So you can pick which one you want. Usually there another one shows, but then you choose like and the year like.
Back home, 여러분. I'm so tired. Abang nanay ko, iniwan yung mga ano ko dito. Tingnan nyo, guys. Iniwan yung Christmas tree. Hindi dapat iniiwan ng Christmas tree. 6 hours lang din dapat siya, guys. Tapos, off mo muna. Parang ganun. Wala si Mami Heidi. I think nag-dinner siya. Ako, busog na ako. Nag-lunch lang kami kanina, but busog pa talaga ako, guys. So, let's not eat. Wow! Nilinis ng nanay ko yung ano ko. Kama ko. So, every Friday, may natutunan ako. Kasi Friday today, it's, wow, 5:55. Ay, nagulat ako na marami nang umuwi at around mga noon time, mga 2 p.m. ata, ang dami nang umuwi. Sabi ko sa boss ko, why are the people going home? Kasi may mga bag na sila. Tapos sabi nila, Tepunim, the big boss, wants everyone to go home early on a Friday. Kasi nga, medyo traffic, ganon. Tapos, basta tapos mo na yung work mo, you can go. And that's what's important naman daw. Basta matapos yung work. So, grabe. Grabe, sobrang bait talaga nung CEO. Nakita ko siya doon, nagdidilig siya ng halaman. Nagbubuhat siya ng tabo, tapos dinidiligan niya yung mga halaman doon sa opisina. Anyway, I wasn't able to vlog, but it's nice. Still overwhelmed and still thinking, hindi ko pa ma-absorb yung mga nangyari. And nahiya ako kasi they are really kind. So, I'll update you guys. Hahabulin ko lang na magkaroon tayo ng vlog today. Ini-edit ko lang siya. And medyo na-drain ako kasi nga medyo traffic. Mas gusto ko talaga mga ganun bus, train, kasi at least sakto yung time nung dati. And parang dito, mas mabilis kapag naka-bus lane, parang ganun. Anyway, dahil dyan, babe, mag-hi ka sa kanila. Ayun yung jowa ko.
Sa alin eh?
Ayan, mag-hi ka.
No.
Ayun lang. Okay, I'm all set. Ginaw na ginaw yarn. Let's go! Supposedly, we have issue today. Kaso nga, since it's raining, nag-cancel na lang kami ng photographer. Book the hair care appointment via cloak. So, gusto sana namin magpaayos ng hair para mag-shoot kami nga ng naka-handbook kanina. But super lakas ng snow. Sabi nung photographer, by mga 4 p.m. daw, uulan na. So, sabi ko, sayang naman, di ba, kung rainy. So, we both, you know, called it off and said na next week na lang before kami umalis ni Mami. So ngayon, syempre bawal i-cancel. It's a non-refundable booking unless parang 24 hours cancellation or parang move. So we still have to do the hair. Snow. Ang saya naman ng neighborhood. Kasi baka hindi kami umabot kapag nag-bus kami. Kasi nag-edit pa kami kanina and then may snow. So parang hirap maglakad. Nakakadulas. Snow. Ito, si Olra. Second floor. Korean hair makeover. Ba't parang ginaw na ginaw naman ako? Ang init naman.
잔잔하기만 하던 온 나의 마음에
Sayang na mag-shoot tayo today. Cute sana, no?
Oo, pero alam mo, napaka-light lang ng ng pagka-iron nila. Parang hindi masisira yung hair mo sa sobrang mga init. Sa akin kasi, parang painitan.
잔잔하기만 하던 온 나의 마음에
Pero nabasa ko, this is, kung you like bulgogi, this is the best bulgogi in town. And I love bulgogi.
기다리고 기다리던 그
Hey,
사람
Mr. Right.
오늘 앞에 내 맘 어느새 일렁이는 상상 병에라도 걸렸나봐요.
Sorry, nag-aalaga. We are done with our meeting with Japan Airlines. The next day, we are gonna meet Japan National Tourism Organization. So, work natin siya way before I came here in Korea. And I always work with Japan National Tourism Organization, JNTO. Parang marami na kaming times na nag-work together, which I'm so grateful for. So kilig. Ayun, nakaka-happy lang na brands are still, you know, supporting the channel. All because of you. So, ayun. So, they just explained what we'll be expecting during the flight, my posting requirements. So, yun.
Nag-order ka separate payment. 4,000, diba?
Pepper na may, ano pa, parang cornstarch. Best pa rin na fried rice yung ano. May okra na. Kaya? Good morning, everyone. Today is the coldest day of the winter season daw so far. Sabi sa balita, and nakita ko lang din sa mga postings sa social media, minus 11 degrees Celsius. Sabi ko nga sa tito ko na nasa Canada, sabi ko sobrang lamig at sakit ng ulo ko kagabi guys kasi malamig na. Minus 8, minus 7 na, tas ang lakas ng hangin. At sabi niya, wala yan dito, minus 20 daw dun sa kanila, which is nga sa Canada. But I can't imagine yung minus 20, minus kung ano man. Kasi ngayon pa lang ang hapdi na guys. Wait lang, sobrang hapdi sa bibig. I think we need a face mask. Pangalawang stopover ko na to na convenience store. Ay, parang ubos na yung face mask na pang winter. Sobrang balot na balot lahat ng locals. Tingnan nyo. Lahat sila naka-uniform ng kanilang color black na puffer jacket. Hindi pa ako naliligo kasi sobrang ginaw talaga. And actually guys, sakit na nung lalamunan ko. Feeling ko nga magkakaalagnat na ako. So inunahan ko na siya. Minom na ako ng paracetamol kagabi. Tapos kaninang umaga din. Medyo super duper pagod the past days. And sleepless nights. As in, I've been working and then editing videos. Wait lang guys, hindi ko ulit kaya. Papasok ulit tayo. Pasok ulit tayo dito. Sakit. Third stopover. Fit check. As I was saying guys, hindi pa ako naliligo today. Sabi ko, bababa na lang muna ako to buy my essentials. May dadaanan lang ako sa bangko. Hindi na ako magbablog kasi baka sawa na kayo. And then, we're heading to Olive Young. Yung pinakamalaking Olive Young. Kasi, ubos na yung moisturizer ko. As in, ubos na siya. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And shampoo. Wala na rin shampoo. Na-mention ko na yan hundreds of times. Inuubos ko talaga yung skincare and shampoo. Kahit na hindi ko sila masyadong gusto. Well, gusto ko naman yung skincare ko. Pero yung shampoo, hindi ko gusto. Pero, nakakahinayang kasi na hindi ubusin. Kasi pwede naman. Like, hindi naman siya bothering sa akin. Pag bothering, syempre, hindi natin talaga itutuloy. Ginaw. Super ginaw, guys. I'll see you guys later.
guys replied to my caption. Alam nyo guys, hindi ko ina-expect na nagbabasa lahat ng caption. So, kilig ako pag nakikita ko nagre-reply kayo sa captions ko. And you said that you like some walking tour. So, here's our neighborhood. Ayan. Dito tayo nakatira sa area na to. Hindi ko pa kayo natutour ata. Pero feeling ko nakikita nyo naman to lagi. This is the parang flagship store ng Olive Young. Let's go here. Sobrang sakit sa balat, guys. So, papasok na tayo. Uy, si Munya! Bergamot. Wow! Look at the view. Our Olive Young loot. Sobrang ginaw. Pero pinagpawisan ako dun sa loob. So, ito pala yung nirarant or yung mga sinasabi ng mga locals na pagpapasok ako ng subway, ang init. Paglalabas ako, ang lamig. So, di nila alam paano sila magde-dress accordingly. Anyway, let's visit this flea market. Nagko-curious lang ako before heading home. Let's go. Kasi kailangan ko ng parang gloves, guys. I need to buy something. Hala, ang cute na ito. This is so cute. May tali siya. Hirap na hirap ako guys gumalaw ko. Alam nyo lang, sakal na ako. And I need this. I think kailangan ko talaga siya kahit hindi na siya aesthetic. Wait, I'll be back here. Fun fact, wala kasi akong cash, kailangan ng cash. Ang cute nito yellow guys. So, you know, I'm a yellow person. Magkano kaya? There's a lot here. Guys, meron ditong mini Korea Mart. Parang sama-sama dito yung mga popular nila na mga snacks, pasalubong. I'm here at the bank. Punta ako dun sa taas. Pero hindi ko na kayo ibabal kasi ba sabihin niya, tulit ka dyan, be. Ang sakit, ang hirap huminga. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko, guys. First time ko ito ma-feel. Well, nag-winter trips tayo, pero parang iba yung hangin today. Ito mo na-realize, ang ganda rin talaga ng weather ng country natin. Sarap ng fruits natin, kasi ang ganda ng weather, very tropical. Yung balance ko nangangatog na. Kunti na lang natitira sa balance natin, guys. Sweldo naman na tayo this month. Monthly pa lang sweldo ko dito, guys. Sabi nila malamang. Ano gusto mo, daily? Hindi ko alam kung anong sweldo ng iba, pero ako monthly. Bakit lang ako saglit sa bank? Let's get it on. Let me know if you want paulit-ulit na vlog ko dito sa bangko. Pero, okay, done. Uy, lamig! Gosh! God. Okay, walking vlogs again. Let me know, guys, if it's too much for you. Cute, no? Hala, ang cute ng shorts. So cute. Dito ko nabili yung palda ko. Cute. Bokboki. Buy my contact lens. Candy Hazel.
Candy Hazel. 1 day or 1 month?
1 day.
1 day. Your prescription. Aspirin only?
Ito guys. Ito pala yung akin, yung one day na Candy Hazel. Guys, malapit na ako bumili ng kanilang black puffer jacket na mahaba. Nakakatawa yung itsura ko.
Let's go.
Ang lamig eh. Oh my God, guys. Sobrang lamig. Bahala kayo dyan. Hindi ko na makita yung daan. Mukha akong ewan, guys. Sobrang hapde. Sobrang hapde, guys. So, umunto muna ako dito. Hindi ko na siya kaya. Sobrang hapde. Okay. Last leg. Okay, guys. I'm back home. Maliligo na tayo. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yung book natin, di ba? Mamaya na ako mag-haul ng mga binili natin sa Olive Young. Yellow na ba tong mukha ko? Sobrang ginaw! Excuse the kalat. Ano yan, yung comforter ni Mami na nilalabhan. So, see you guys later. It's super duper cold. Minus 17. Feels like lang naman. And currently minus 10, I think. Welcome to Myeongdong. The nice hotels here in Myeongdong, guys. So, Line Hotel. Sabi ko, nice na hotel, yung Line Hotel. Favorite natin yan. Mga 5 years ago. Until na-discover namin yung Hongdae. Andun naman kami lagi sa Hongdae. We're gonna eat samgyetang. Michelin Guide 2017.
This is the best samgyetang.
Grabe, hindi ako sanay na naka-block ako, guys. Parang it's not me. Ganon. Tanggalin natin siya. Actually, sakto yung suot ko. Hindi nakakaginaw. Nakakapawis na. I have 2 heat tech. Tapos, I have this. Nakangati na ako. Siguro kasi sobrang lamig. We already ate here before. Kasama natin si JM. Sinuggest ng isang viewer daw niya to. Wow, ito na. So the proper way to eat samgyetang is you put salt in this saucer, salt and pepper, yoromon, and then put a small amount of samgyetang on the front dish. Ilalagay mo yung samgyetang mo dito. Tapos yung mga bones dito sa bucket ilalagay. Look, yung chicken, guys, may laman siyang mga ginseng. Ayan o, may rice, luya. Ayan o, wow, that's how it looks like. Tanan! Trap.
Why?
Tapos lalagyan nyo daw ng konting salt. May lasa na, pero mahilig ako sa mas maalat pa. Tabi-tabi yung mga chicken and beer na place. When in Myeongdong. Okay ba to, guys? Ito, guys, yung tres leches halo-halo. Can I just see? Yes. Hello po. Ang saya, guys, may event. Ay, nakichismis pa ako, pero ang cute. Welcome back to me. Later, pupunta sila, Mami. Kakain kami dito sa Ombu Kusina. Favorite yan ni Mami. Masarap yung halo-halo nila. Like, pinapa-take out tapos dinadala sa bahay. Your mobile number and signature. Hala, alam mo anong room? Dito sa Pinas. Liver. Room tour! Tada! Here's our room here. Annyeong! Welcome to the Philippines! Mini room tour. We have this work area. So, ito gagamitin mo
para kumuha ka ng water. May water dispenser sa hallway. And then, this is our bed for today. King size bed. Meron din dito ang sofa. Tapos dito may lalagay yung luggage mo. Very spacious. And then, this is the restroom. 3 days here in Manila, overlooking the very beautiful Quezon Avenue. This is my favorite place kasi paglabas mo dito sa hotel, meron silang in-house na restaurant which is yung Combo Kusina. As in, lagi kaming nagte-take out ng halo-halo dyan. Sobrang sarap ng halo-halo nila. And yung dati rin nating bahay, guys, malapit sa hotel na to. This is my favorite space in Quezon City kasi malapit siya sa Skyway if you wanna visit yung mga Makati area. And also, may Tomas Morato which is ang dami ding restaurant. Grabe, parang na akong turista sa Manila ngayon. Nagkikringe ka, babe? Ba't kinitsura mo? Anyway, ayun. Pagkalabas nyo, meron ding mga Korean Mart, which is where I usually do my Korean grocery before when I was still living here in Manila. So, nung talagang pagbalik ko, tas sabi ni mami na nagre-renovate ng space sa bayan, baka ma-allergy lang ako. May sakit ako, guys, actually. Ayoko rin ma-allergy. Sabi niya mag-book na lang ng hotel. And this is a nice hotel! Sequoia Hotel, Quezon City. If you are looking for a nice hotel in Quezon City area with a really nice location. If you love food trip, ganyan, malapit sa lahat, mabilis galawan. Favorite ko ang Quezon Ave area. And nandyan na yung mga bangko ko sa baba lang. I'll wait for the family. They will visit me and Heidi, Daddy, and Mama will visit and we'll have a dinner together. And that's it for our home in Manila for 3 days. I booked this via Klook. You can use my code. Kung gusto nyo lang naman gamitin, you can use my code HazelKlook for your bookings, para may discount kayo. Any activities, hotel, car charters, and a lot more. You can book it via Klook. So, yun lang naman ang masasabi ko sa life, guys, diba? Ayan, I'm so excited to spend some days here in Manila. Magay ka sa vlog ko.
Ayoko.
Di mo ako love.
Love kita.
Ay, talaga. Hi! Mom! Ganda mo naman. Umakit bang sus? Hindi pa. Annyeonghaseyo! Guys, comment this emoji kung nakarating ka sa video na to. Secret lang natin. Secret emoji. So, I would know na halos tinatapos mo na yung video natin. So, thank you sa support mo. Anyway, medyo antok na ako. Time check, it's already 1:22 AM. And na-realize ko lang, parang yung vlog na to, parang wala siyang pinaroroonan. Hindi ko siya natatapos. The past weeks, of course, na nandito si Mami Heidi. Wala lang, parang feeling ko nag-spend lang din talaga ako ng time with my mom. And hindi ako mostly naka-vlog. 98% na pagsasama namin, feeling ko. Nasa channel niya, so if you wanna watch, you can watch. Ayun nga, parang putol-putol yung mga videos ko. So sorry, babawi talaga ako sa next vlogs natin, guys. But really grateful sa support nyo, sa mga messages nyo, and so on and so forth. So, gusto ko lang sana mag-sit down video a bit answering some of your frequently asked questions. Kasi naisip ko, hindi ko yata nasagot dun sa ibang videos, like office and all that. So anyway, so if you are actually following me on my other social media accounts, chanan, you can follow me. But I do live streams there sa TikTok, sa IG, sa broadcast channel ko actually. And madalas yung mga frequently asked questions nyo, sinasagot ko na dun. Kapag nabasa ko yung parang comment dun sa live, sinasagot ko na siya directly para ma-address ko na siya. Hindi pa yata ako nakakapag-share sa YouTube family natin. So anyway. So first things first, ang dami nagtatanong sa inyo kailan ko madadala yung dogs ko. And kung dadaling ko ba yung dogs ko, isa yun sa mga sobrang frequently asked questions sa comments sa YouTube. Hindi ko pala nasabi sa YouTube na inaasikaso na yung papers ng dogs. I have 4 dogs, pero isa-isahin natin siya kasi it's kinda expensive to fly them here. And not only that, ititrain pa natin sila isa-isa. Papakiramdaman ko pa kung paano yung schedule and all, saan yung mga vets, saan ko sila pwedeng i-walk, ganyan yung routine namin together. So ayun, malapit na guys. Hindi ko lang yata na-share kasi ayoko siyang i-put out there ng hindi siya final. So, gusto ko na lang na pag final na, makita nyo na lang in action sa videos. So, kaya ayun. So, sorry kung hindi ko pa yun na-clear out dito sa YouTube. Also, ayun pala, nagpunta ako ng office and first time ko lang talagang malaman ko ano yung mga daily tasks and monthly tasks na gagawin ko for the whole year, which I'm so excited. Like I've mentioned, my work here as a content creator is sobrang vast for me kasi it's a different thing in the Philippines and it's a different thing here in Korea. Ang dami ko pang fini-figure out myself na minsan ayoko rin talagang mag-claim or magsalita na hindi tapos and ang dami ko pang hindi alam about the laws, yung tax, yung mga pwede ko sabihin sa mga dapat na hindi ko na dapat sinasabi. So, ang dami ko talagang fini-figure out pa sa life. At the same time, I'm trying my best to produce contents na maging part kayo ng journey. Kasi for me, I do YouTube not just for the sake of, you know, having vlogs uploaded. Pero for me, gusto ko siyang balikan 10 years, 5 years from now, yung old self ko, and see ano yung mga naging adventures ko sa life. Ganun din siya for me. Parang talagang diary ko yung YouTube ko. Ayun na nga. So, a lot of you are asking, I'm not actually required to go to the office every day. As a content creator, I'm only required to report to office twice a week, once a week, something like that. Or if there's any events that I need to go to, any campaigns na I need to work on or join in, ganyan. So, ayun lang naman yun. Parang feeling ko may miscommunication sa part na yan. So, sorry if medyo malabo. But, I told you guys dun sa announcement video na I wasn't accepted initially dun sa job that I was applying for, which is an office job. Yun, which brings me to the most frequently asked question of all. As in, nakaka-receive pa ako ng email, even text messages na hindi ko alam paano yung nakuha yung number ko. Saying na paano makahanap ng work here sa South Korea. And I feel like I'm not the best person to answer that question, honestly. Kasi ako mismo feeling ko swerte and research yung aking puhunan. Honestly, before, I was looking at the wrong direction. Like I've mentioned, may notion ako before na pag mag-work ako abroad, I will start parang mag-work ako na sa hotels or kaya papasukin ko yung parang au pair na job. Kasi parang, di ba, parang literal nagka-climb ka rin ng corporate ladder na from, ano ka muna, entry level na mga jobs na available na to parang unti-unti or nakuha ko na tong residence card ko, so pwede na ako mag-apply dito, pwede na ako mag-aral, so I can do this, I can do that. Parang ganun ako namulat kasi yung mga family and friends na malapit sa akin, ganun yung kanilang stepping stone abroad. So, when I was, you know, researching, I researched a lot on those stuff in Europe. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang target ko talagang country is Europe. That's the dream retirement plan. Retirement plan! Ayun, hindi nga siya nag-work kasi yung kakilala nung tita ko sa Amsterdam, parang ipapasok ako sa hotel. But sabi ko, sana pwede rin yung jowa ko? Kasi parang ang lukot naman mag-isa. And gusto ko talaga, may plan talaga kami together. As in, together forever, ganun. Pero yung jowa ko naman, nakahanap siya ng opportunity sa Poland. May kakilala rin siya na na-recommend siya and pwede siyang ipasok. But then, I realized, parang hindi ko ata kaya yung ganong setup at that moment. Parang nakakabigla siya. And then, so, I looked into Canada, Australia, and a lot more countries offering different jobs. And there's a lot. I think the main lesson here, bottom line, is, ang dami ko sinabi, paulit-ulit na ako. Anyway, to those na hindi pa alam, to those na alam, you can skip the video. And thank you so much for watching, like the video. But to those na gusto pang malaman yan, yun nga, I think the most important lesson here is to do your research and know or figure out ano yung interest mo talaga sa life. Because I was looking at the wrong direction. Like, hanap ako ng hanap ng mga hotel cleaning, ganyan, au pair. And nasa harapan ko na pala yung expertise ko. So, I think when you want to work abroad, talagang yung expertise mo or yung galing mo is kailangan makita nila. Kasi bakit kanila kukunin when they have locals or citizens na magaling din, and alam nyo yun, hindi na nila kailangan gumastos ng flight and accommodation. Yung pinaka natutunan ko dito is to really figure out ano yung hilig mo, ano yung ma-offer mo sa mundo na hindi mo offer ng ibang tao. Saan ka passionate, saan ka magaling. So, sample na lang, you are an engineer or a CPA, pero magaling ka kumanta. So, you can actually actually apply for a singing job abroad. Kasi, ganda ng boses mo, ikaw lang yung may ganyang boses eh. Kasi ako, di ako pwede maging apply ng singer kasi, girl, baka sumakit ulo nyo. Like, parang sample lang naman siya. But parang gawin yung stepping stone, yung passion nyo, or yung talent nyo, or yung galing nyo. Sample lang guys, I was applying for an office job na, gets ko, wala akong experience kasi I was never in a corporate setting. Lagi akong freelance content creator. And then one day, na-realize ko, kaya ako hindi natanggap kasi kahit gaano ka kagusto ng kumpanya, kahit kilala mo pa yung kumpanya na yan, or nirecommend ka nung mga people from that company, kung hindi ka bagay doon, kung hindi ka parang fit doon, makikita yun ng immigration. It's always the immigration officers that will decide kung fit ka ba sa country nila. Yun talaga yun. Realize ko, I have 8 years experience as a content creator and I use that to my advantage. So, use your talents to your advantage. And feeling ko, ang layo ng tingin ko kasi when I was looking for a job, mema ako. Mema talaga. Like, okay, OFW, yung tito ko, sige, butcher, sa Canada, o Hazel, ganito gawin mo, ganyan-ganyan. And in fact, I was a content creator. I have 8 years work experience. I have a really good portfolio that I can present to the brand. I'm at the center of campaigns. So, I used my portfolio and my work experience. And then, nakapasok ako as a content creator here in Korea. Feeling ko, dun muna talaga mag-start. Hindi yung parang paano ba makahanap ng work. Figure out saan kayo nababagay. Like, ano ba yung nai-imagine yung life nyo? Do you like Korea? Do you like Europe? Canada? Ano ba prefer nyo? Fast-paced life like Seoul? Or mas gusto nyo na mas low-key, work-life balance life like Europe, Amsterdam, Spain, ganyan. I think yun yung pinaka-first step, migrating or moving abroad and looking for a job abroad. And then, after that, siguro, ano yung mga kailangan ng bansang to? Yun lang yung mini advice ko kasi hindi naman ako pa magaling sa ganyan. Also, depende dun sa bansa na gusto nyo, there are websites na pwede nyo puntahan para makahanap ng work. And especially, I highly recommend yung DMW na website natin. Kasi doon, may mga ino-offer na mga work abroad from different countries na partner na talaga ng DMW. So, alam yung safe and hindi scam and hindi kayo maluloko basta-basta. Kasi kahit na magsabi ako ng website, paano kung, di ba, hindi ko naman sure yung companies na nandun right now. Based on experience lang ako nag-share sa inyo guys. Ayun, yun lang yung feeling kong lesson na natutunan ko while I know na it won't be applicable for everyone. And I'm really fortunate and lucky that I got this work in Korea. So, ayun. Speaking of, may mga nagsasabi rin sa akin na I flew here to Korea for content lang talaga. I beg to disagree. Hoy, I beg to disagree! I don't think so. Kasi moving abroad is a big move and I don't think I will do it just for the sake of social media. Initially, sabi ko sa inyo nga, diba, or ilang beses ko na yatang na din nasabi na I was willing to give up everything just to start a new life or move abroad. I want to experience yung parang better quality of life, which is hanggang ngayon, yun naman yung hangad ko sa life. And I know a lot of people won't be able to easily understand or baka hindi siya madaling intindihan for everyone. Plainly guys, talagang gusto ko lang ng better quality of life. Initially, I was willing to let go everything, even my work in the Philippines just to start a new life. And I think marami rin namang makaka-relate sa akin. Ayun lang, gusto ko lang yun sagutin kasi I never thought that my YouTube videos will be loved by so many people. And recently, di ba, yung ating Korea vlog, super duper dami nagme-message na love nyo and inspiring siya. I never thought that way. When I was uploading my first ever video, the announcement video, I was thinking, hala, baka i-hate na nila ako kasi hindi ako relatable, tas alis na ako sa Pilipinas and all. But good thing there are still people who stayed and I'm really, really grateful for that. But moving for content was never in my, mind. I am moving for myself and for a better life, and for my dreams. And I'm really, really happy with the decision that I made. Last namin, isa pa ako naalalang question na lagi nagtatanong, bakit ang laki ng apartment ko? Sabi nila na parang, yun nga, bakit laki ng apartment mo kung hindi yan for content? Well, number one is, this is the only apartment that pumayag na pwedeng dalhin yung 4 kong dogs. And I think yung mga studio units dito, hindi pwede yung mga dogs. Kasi nga, ang laki ng dogs ko, guys. 2 doon, husky, tas isa golden doodle siya. Naghanap lang talaga ako ng tatanggap sa akin. Ganon. And ito na yung pinakamura, pinaka-okay na location, and pinaka-feeling ko livable for my dogs as well. You know, moving here, it's not just about me. Of course, I'm bringing my dogs with me anywhere, ganon. Ayun lang. Thank you for watching. And, ayun, manifesting that yung mga plans niyo for 2025, you will realize by the end of it, like me, parang normal lang naman na it will take a year or years pa nga to find a job. So, don't give up. Like, matagal talaga siyang process. Ang bilis ko lang siyang pinakita sa inyo, pero yung behind the scenes, sobrang tagal niya. Sobrang daming nangyari, sobrang daming paghahanap ng work, sobrang daming niya talagang a-applyan, sobrang daming bansa na parang akala mo yun na yung bansa mo, pero ay, hindi pa pala. Normal lang na hindi matuloy yung isang plano, and then, one day, you will realize na, kaya hindi natuloy yung lahat kasi para dito pala ako. Feeling ko totoo yun talaga. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. And kung nagstay ka hanggang dito sa video na to, please comment down this emoji or comment down your manifestations for 2025 and I'll choose one winner. Yun lang. Thank you so much and I love you all.